Okay, yeah.
Because then you're not worried about the other thousand.
How much money did it cost sit down today?
Not much. She just bought some shoes. She went to Toy Birch, bought some shoes. So, yeah, went up with DeAndre Soap Daddy, chill with him.
Yep.
So, yeah, man. All right, guys. Yeah. Got Coach Rich talking to my wife, Miss Arlene Sager.
Mr. Harvard.
Mr. Harvard. Everybody know Mr. Harvard. All right, guys. So just walking around. You said they said some new trucks back there outside?
Yeah, there's trucks on the back in the center there. And,
okay.
Some of them are running the big Aerotech there is actually.
The big Aerotech? Okay.
Yeah, it's, Ron Beatty is his name from Pennsylvania. I actually bought one of his used Butlers years ago. He keeps his equipment clean, and just by luck, that's how I met him.
Okay.
He was going to be here but his wife had emergency surgery last night.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's a beautiful truck.
I'm gonna go check it out.
You do that, yeah, it's awesome. 3 to 5 years.
Babe, I'll be back here. I'll be back. All right, guys, about to go check out this truck. By the way, guys, I just got through shaking hands, taking a picture with John Klushnik. I think that's how I pronounce his last name, Klushnik. There he is, Bonnet Pro. So just taking a picture with took a picture with John. Hey, John, got you on Cleaners Connect.
Hey, brother.
What's up, y'all? There he is, Bonnet Pro, y'all. How you doing, man?
You're going to go get that steak.
In a little bit. I want to go back here and check out some of these trucks, though. All right, John. All right, y'all. So this is Bonnet Pro. I thought this was a cleaning convention. We got ladies out here trying to sell some jewelry. DeAndre, I'm about to walk back here. Okay. All right, y'all. There goes Soap Daddy. Oh, wow. Look at this, y'all. 68 blower. What? Man, look at this little thing. What? A number 68 blower with a 14 horse. What the hell? How is that even possible? I don't think it's that truck mount. Can't be. Oh, back here. I didn't know they had this back here, y'all.
Right?
Yes, I am.
I'm Jeff Brown, man. I've been looking at your videos and how you become a celebrity. And I said, I got to see this guy.
Well, thank you, Jeff. Nice to meet you, man. Where you out of?
Virginia Beach.
Virginia Beach. Oh, you up there with the Allens?
Yeah.
Right out of there, yeah.
I'm right across the street from him.
What? Okay. Yeah, man. Yeah, he invited me to his party last night. Well, man, nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, same here.
Really appreciate it, man.
And I look at your videos you're real, man. I got to admit.
Well, you know what? A lot of people been giving me that compliment. Yeah. Like I said, that's the only way I can do it, man. Yeah. I can't do it. You know, a lot of people want me to do it their way, talk the way they want me to talk. Hey, I got to be myself.
The reason why I know that, because I've been in business like 40 years. And I know what you're saying is true.
Yes.
I see a lot of people don't know that because, you know, they only been in business for 5, maybe 10 years.
Yes, sir.
Doing the same thing over and over again.
Yep.
But what you're saying is real, man.
Well, I appreciate it, brother.
If you've been in the industry 40 years, man, you know what goes on.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And what's your name again?
Jeff.
Jeff
Brown.
Jeff Brown. Hey, y'all, Cleaners Connect. We got Jeff Brown.
Virginia Beach.
Virginia Beach. Okay. Are you on Facebook?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm on Facebook.
You on Facebook, but you mostly see me on YouTube?
Yeah. YouTube.
Okay, cool. YouTube, yeah. A lot of people that follow me on YouTube don't even own my Facebook group. Yeah. Well, if you ever get on Facebook, man.
I actually follow you on Facebook, but I don't have a profile.
Oh, you don't have a profile? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's cool, man. Well, you know, just keep following us, man, and following me. I greatly appreciate the support, brother. Okay. All right, Jeff. Nice to meet you, man.
All right.
You too. All right, y'all. Mr. Jeff Brown, Virginia Beach. You guys up in that area, man, network with them. I didn't know this was back here. I love that right there, man. The way those hoses hang up.
Hey, I just want to say I love your videos.
Thank you. What's your name?
I watch your videos all the time. My name's Sherry.
Sherry. And Tony. Nice to meet you, Tony. You too, Miss Sherry. Nice to meet you.
We love your guys.
Like I wanted to see that guy.
Huh?
I said I wanted to see that guy.
Long time, so.
Well, I greatly appreciate the support, man.
Man, you've been doing good.
Thank you. Where you guys out of?
California.
California. Well, man. Well, this is my first time here. I'm just enjoying it, man.
Mine too.
Awesome. Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much. Y'all have a great day. Hey, Rick. What's up, man? Nice to see you, brother. You always working, man.
Always trying to hustle.
Hey, that's the only way you got to do it.
That's right.
I love the way y'all put these, make the hose reel hang up from the roof. That is amazing. That's awesome.
Thing right there. But and imagine it with this big boy machine and still everything coming out the side. You can go around the back and see the whole back of it. It's all.
It's amazing. I like that. I like these rims on this van right here.
What's that?
I like those rims on that van.
Isn't that sick?
Yeah, that's sick. Maybe Mike will get a free one away at Mikey's Fest. Maybe.
You're coming out for his fest too, right?
He don't want me to talk about it.
You gotta come out, man. I'm gonna take you to Gourmet Taco.
The one at what, Phoenix?
In Phoenix.
I'm not coming to that one. Yeah, maybe the next one. Gorilla truck. Ricky.
What's going on?
Nice to meet you, man. Well, not to meet you, but see you again for the 18th time.
For the 18th million.
Yes, sir.
Did you go up front?
Up front where?
Well, when you talked about X Drive, did you see the Transit Gorilla truck?
Yeah, I seen it. Yeah, I seen it. I seen it yesterday.
Did you send him a picture?
See who a picture?
Your buddy?
Chandler?
Yeah.
Well, he probably seen it. I did a video, of course.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. But he'll be out here tomorrow,
Oh,
though.
Chandler's going to be your
Yeah, he'll be here tomorrow.
I'm going to take him over and you can drool on it.
Yeah.
Did you
So,
drool on it?
huh?
Did you drool all over
Nah.
it? Come on.
Nah.
Tell me the truth.
I was just telling, yeah, I love that, the way you guys hang them up from the ceiling. Oh, yeah, of course, yeah. Gotta be electric.
Aluminum channel that we made.
Oh, wow.
So it slides. You can actually loosen it up and it'll slide over. So you can work on the side. Just checking your shirt out.
Yes, sir.
So you can work on the.
On the machine. Wow. Awesome. I like that.
That's we're building a kit soon. Just like that. This is our first.
Okay. Well, I still didn't forget our conversation was at John Dunn. Okay, so I got you. All right, man. I'm just exploring around. All right, man. Hey, y'all. We got Paul Burnett.
What's going on?
What's up, Paul? Mason again.
I know. Nobody.
You having fun, Mason?
I'm having fun, dude.
How you doing, man?
Always.
Adam.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man. All right. What you got about to get into, Paul?
I am about to close the deal on a new truck.
Oh.
I sold my
Cleaners Connect.
Cleaners Connect.
It's Cleaners Connect in the house. Anyone from Atlanta. Cleaners Connect.
Cleaners Connect.
He just won $1 million.
Oh, hey man. Now are you gonna tell us what you got? Are you gonna wait?
Say, here, you have to pull this, talk in there, and say Troy. Hurry, call Troy. Troy. Look.
Troy, Babyface McCoy.
We're gonna go with another
Say-
CDS.
Say Cleaners Connect.
Cleaners Connect.
Is
Wait a
it
minute, I do like Courtney. Cleaners Connectors.
in the house?
Got another gorilla truck. Paul Burnett's getting a gorilla truck.
Oh, yeah.
Congratulations.
So, what did you come here to buy? Because I've seen you with all the freebie stuff all day long. Yeah, and
I took my wife shopping.
I looked on the Amazon. Now you have them for sale on eBay. All the stuff you picked up. So I got a serious question. Both you three, you guys stand in here. You have a swivel wand. Do you have a swivel wand? Do you have a swivel wand? Get in there, Paul. Get closer, Paul. Get in there. So Cleaners Connect. I got a question. Has anyone seen a swivel wand at the trade show?
Yes.
Where is it?
I hate to say.
I was just there. He didn't have one.
Got 3 or 4 of them. I was just playing them.
Really?
Got 'em.
Okay. Well, we got our first. Rob Allen has the only swivel wand here.
Yeah.
Got me beat. I think there was one.
Yeah,
I thought, you know what I thought? I thought they were like spinners. They're already gone.
No,
Hey, man,
yeah.
we're out.
Yeah. I got a Troy got, he have a Devastator. You got Devastator, yeah. Paul used a Devastator. Yeah, he got 2. Yeah, I got 2 too.
I got the original Devastator, and then I also got the new. I got both.
Anybody here from Dane? Is he over? I
He-
heard he got out of hospital. He's getting better.
I heard he's paralyzed half down.
From what?
Paralyzed half his body.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
He had a stroke, right?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I thought he.
There's going to be a lot of rehabilitation.
Well, Tony, if you're hearing out there.
Man, Paul, I can't wait to see it, man. Can't wait to see how you well, it's really nothing to trick out. But how you gonna your rap is beautiful too. That's gonna look good. Man, he's gonna gorilla truck.
Are you getting a gorilla? Yeah, gorilla's nice.
Yeah.
Like Chandler's is really, really nice. I love the way you can just separate
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
Really only. You're getting the skinnier one though? The newest one?
Yeah, the one up there.
The one, okay.
Yeah.
So it still looks good. I still like it. Yeah.
It's not much off of the one.
No, it's really not. Yeah.
You're talking about 6 inches on each side.
Paul, you had you a good steak yet since you've been here?
What?
A good steak dinner yet?
No.
I'm gonna give me one a little bit. I heard it. John Bonnie Pro told me to go check out the Eiffel Tower restaurant. It says it's pretty good.
We're going up there tonight. We got tickets to do it at 8 o'clock, I think. To go to the top.
Okay.
And then we may come back down and eat.
Okay. Cool.
So,
If I'm not mistaken, I think the Dirt Dragon holds 2 gallons. 2 gallons. 2 gallons. What's up, guys? Got Willard talking to my wife, Baruska. All right, guys. Second day out here at the Experience Trade Show. After about day 2, me and Willard and Baruska agree it gets kind of boring. So,
You really see the vendors.
yeah, you only can say what's up to everybody so many times. So, all right, guys, day 2 out here. Everybody gonna check out the pool party. So, Dirt Dragon, basic coatings in the house. Were you interested in one of those machines, Baruska?
I've been looking at it.
They're good, yeah. Now, I will say, just my honest opinion, if you can find them cheaper, do that. If I wouldn't pay well, of course I did get a good price on it, but it wasn't that much off. But it's just an auto scrubber. It's just a walk behind. It looks good for what it does for cleaning floors and engineered floors, hardwood floors. But for $2,500, I think it's just like anything else. You know, like for example, $2,500 for a CRB, but the CRB is probably one of the most diverse machines you can have.
Yeah, and you can buy one with messed up gears.
Yeah.
And all that stuff.
So, but it's a great machine. I mean, I like it. Honestly, I think they're worth about anywhere from $1,400 to maybe $1,600. But if you have a market for hardwood cleaning, you can make a lot of money with it. We did over $7,000 in the last 2 weeks cleaning hardwoods, and that's what we use. Yeah. So at the end of the day, it pays for itself.
If you market it.
Yep. Yeah, if you market it. But the thing about it, the people that you're going to market this to are the people house you're already in.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So you let those customers know that we also offer this service, and when they see that machine, the thing I like about it, when the customers see that, it's not something they feel like they can go get themselves. Cause we get customers say, "Oh man, that's a nice machine,"
Do you just run a little demo for them, or you just tell them about it?
I just tell them about it.
Okay.
And if they got dirt, I mean, a lot of times you can demo it with a microfiber towel and show how much dirt you get off the towel. So just imagine what you do with the machine. Willard, don't you got one? Oh yeah. How you like yours? See, you got one too. Yeah. How much? Where you get yours from? Okay. What about 25? 25? Yeah. Okay. I just told Peruski, if you get a good deal for it. Yeah. Listen to? I got mine listen to too. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. All right, guys. So just doing some more walking around, shaking some hands, meeting some people, hearing some great news. Mr. Paul Burnett, he is out of Texas. He is getting a gorilla truck. So, there's my wife right there. All right, what you about to do? You talking to Coach? Yeah. See what DeAndre want to do. We got it. John Dunn. This is what everybody want to see.
Let me step back.
Good, how are you?
A lot of things going on, guys. A lot of things going on. All right, day 2. Guys, see you in the next one.